So far in the workshops, we have had a great experience with multiple vendors, also with IATA facilitating this. And we have found that by putting everybody together, we can go super fast on different industry use cases that are of interest for airlines and finally for our passengers, our industry as a whole.
It's a very productive environment for networking between airlines, airports, and different technology providers.
We are participating on the global data bus use case. This is to connect airlines and airports and the broader ecosystem of ground providers, etc., through the use of hyperscalers, providing a connection that moves off of legacy teletype and the connection that we currently use into a more technological solution that enables encryption from end to end.
And we are working with AI agents for interoperation as well. You know that interline cargo, we don't have any GDS, so AI agents are a very good candidate to solve this interoperation. Now, that is done in a very manual way, leading to high resolution times, losing businesses. So, using AI agents with human in the loop and reliability, we can solve a booking, for example, in minutes.
On the WDS symposium, we are looking to showcase our experience with airlines and also the result of the different use cases integrating airlines in an ecosystem where everybody can jump into the success of these sessions, which involved a couple of airlines, some airports, and some hyperscalers, and push that into the broader audience that will be on the WDS symposium, maximizing the value that we see on data and AI in the industry. Globant has been involved with airlines for around 15 years already. We've had large client network airlines and low-cost carriers throughout Latin America, North America, and Europe, and we are moving into Middle East and Asia. We're mainly focusing on passenger experience, but we have also built for crew management and operations for different airlines.
We produce information and insight from data. We use advanced analytics for decision making and AI to tackle core challenges and transform them in competitive advantage.